Hey, it's India with Bags and Lifestyle. Thank you so much for watching this video. So I wanted to do a quick video on my review of the pink stuff. I just finished actually cleaning the oven, so you're going to see video footage pop up. So I bought this some months ago, and I heard about it from another YouTuber called Just Chanel. She has a really big following, and she's a flight attendant, so check out her channel if you have not heard of her before. But she was cleaning her kitchen, no, not kitchen, I'm sorry. She was cleaning her bathroom with this stuff, and I think apparently it's really been popular and been circulating around, I was about to say YouTube, not YouTube, TikTok. It's been really big on TikTok apparently. And so when I saw her talk about this, I looked into it. I really like this product because like I said, I've been solely using it on my shower, and you will see footage of me trying it out for the first time on my oven, in the glass area of the oven, as well as on my stove top, to get some hard to remove stains that my husband just left behind when he cooked barbecue sauce. So with this, I like it because it has natural ingredients. It is environmentally safe and it's non-toxic. So that all were great buzzwords, great descriptions, great information for me to decide to go ahead and take the plunge and use this. So I would say this this jug, jar, whatever you want to call it, container, it lasts. I still have some more in here, so I don't need more just yet, but when it's this low, I try to replace it. So I would say it probably will last you anywhere from 6 months, just depending on how much you use to clean. And like I said, I was solely using this on one space, which was on my tile in my bathroom, just the tile in my shower at the very bottom. That's it, not even on the walls. So I was able to sparingly use it, and I mix it with water. So this works really well. I recently used it on the grout in my kitchen area. There was a little bit of some brown or black marks coming up in the grout area, and so I used that pretty much kind of that area where the water, a lot of times where you're finished washing your dishes or washing your hands, and it kind of pulls back there behind the faucet. So I used it there, quickly scrubbed it with a brush, worked awesome. And I'm proud to report that it worked really well on my oven. Like I said, I used a small container, took a little bit out, mixed it in to make like a watery, take the paste basically, and you mix it in and make a watery substance. Solution, I guess is what the word we'll use. So I made it into a watery solution, and then I just left it on the oven glass for a few minutes. I went upstairs to vacuum for a little bit and then came back down, started scrubbing it. I didn't even have to scrub really hard. And this is going to replace my usage of baking soda, water, and peroxide mix that I was using on the glass. The reason I actually went for this one is because there were some hard to remove stains from my glass top this last time around, and for whatever reason I could not scrub them out. Got busy, so they also were on there a little bit longer than I normally would leave them as well. So I used this, came off no problem. I did use a little kind of surface or spongy thing that is easier to, what do you call it, like it's gentle on pots and pans, like non-stick pots and pans, but it does do the scrubbing like it needs to. Whatever those things are, you know what I'm talking about, people, because you clean up normally, you know what I mean. So I use that on it to kind of help lift some of the the harder stains without lifting dirt or, it's after work, y'all. I just finished cleaning up. I'm sorry. Without lifting, or not without lifting. Stop saying that, girl, stop. Without scratching my surface. That's what I'm trying to say. Don't know why I was trying to say not lift dirt, because that's what we want. We want the dirt lifted, right? So I'd use that to kind of get some of those harder removed stains out. And then I'd use it on my stove top to remove those barbecue stains from husband cooking and letting things spill on the countertop. Worked perfectly. Now, all I did after I cleaned it off was to get the residue off, and then I wiped it down with a soap and water mix, both parts, to get that residue off. And then now I'm, running the clean cycle, the self-clean cycle in the oven to just, get it all off, bake it away, get the last part off, and also bake off some of that residue that the soap and water mixture did not cover. So let me know if you used this before. If you haven't, I'm telling you, go try it out. And this is rather inexpensive to purchase. So yeah, go ahead and get it. And yeah, I really like this. I think it did a great job. Thanks for watching. Bye.